Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jitendra, Assistant Professor in Department of Forensic Medicine at Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, AMU Aligarh. Here I am to tell you about one of the recent book in the market named Injuries, written by Dr. Anil Agrawal sir. Anil Agrawal sir, who is a well-renowned person in the field of forensic medicine, I don't think he needs any introduction. I will tell, this book is one of the remarkable contribution of him in the field of forensic medicine. As you can see, this book has got very nice hardcover, very handy book. You can keep nicely over table and use it very comfortably. It has got the appearance of an international book. As you will go through this book, you will find this book to be very colorful book, and with a lot of photographs and nice illustration. At the start of the book, you will get the list of the books which has got international recognition, written by Anil Agrawal sir. Book on necrophilia, age estimation in the living, forensic and medical legal aspect of sexual crime and unusual sexual practices. Further, you will see the how to use steps to using EduMed app. Actually, this book has got many videos which has the live demonstration of the phenomena, procedures. So you can use those videos to understand the concept clearly and practically utilize them. And so you should know how to use them using EduMed app. Further, you will find this book to be well organized in the form of the memory aids, and mnemonic index has been there. There is an index of tables, around 137 tables has been given in the book. Table of authorities having with the case laws, bills, rules, regulation, statutaries. These has been given in very detail. This book is divided into two sections. One is the medical legal aspects of injuries, and another is the recent advances. In medical legal aspects of injuries, there are 11 chapters: introduction and legal procedure, medical law and ethics, injuries, classification and medical legal aspects, mechanical injuries, firearm injuries, thermal injuries, explosion injuries, electrical injuries and atmospheric lightning, regional injuries, traffic accident, mass disaster. In the recent advances section, you will find a very informative topics which are updated information and recent information in the field: in the courtroom photography and broadcasting, telephone conferencing in courtroom, tele-evidence, assent, best interest principle, e-therapy, opportunistic testing, ghost surgery, nursing, quarantine, Advanced Healthcare Directive, Patient Self-Determination Act, End-of-Life Decision, Managed Care, Neuroethics, Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, Model to Study Ballistic Trauma, Model to Study Thermal Injuries, Hypergolic Mixtures, NHRC Videography, the Protection of Human Rights Act 2019. You will find these topics to be highly engaging and very knowledgeable. Further, in the appendix section, he has given the important section: acts and rules, glossary of important legal terms, medical legal proformas. Here you will find with added proforma on torture, death and the mass disaster, proforma, a detailed proforma by the Red Cross Society, declaration of the World Medical Association, common mistakes in some book. You will find this section to be very eye-opening, as many mistakes everyone commits in our field, which has been highlighted by sir. I will recommend this Pioneers in the Injury Interpretation to be a very helpful topic in this book. Here there are a list of about 4 to 5 pioneers who have with their cases, interesting cases, which are very giving you the idea of how the investigation goes on, how they have contributed in the field. Further, Anil Agrawal's Law of the Medical Legal Practice, ICD-10 codes, Here ICD-10 code has been given in detail, which is now being taught to the undergraduates and useful for death certification. And another new concept has been brought forward by the Anil Agrawal sir, as he is very visionary person, DM in forensic traumatology, a blueprint. This is a brilliant idea of him. Although I am not much in favor of super specialization in the field, many DMs and those things, but still I think this can be taught as a fellowship program. This can be a very brilliant idea. So I will briefly show you some of the inside features of the book. As you can see, the list of movies has been given, where you can play those videos and lively you will get the demonstration of the content. As you can see, I was telling you, this is a colorful illustration. Everywhere you will find, and many handmade diagrams has been there, which are giving you the practical exposure of how to perform the things. Further, in the medical law and ethics section, many cases has been discussed. This book has got a lot of cases, so it is all very knowledgeable and very informative and quite engaging. You will find this book. For the all the recent updated information you will find in this book, like Bolitho test for medical negligence examination, and also the topic on the quackery has been added with their cases law. Torture has been discussed in quite detail. Further, you will find torture. This one section I find to be very nice in this book is the cause of death from wounds. All the differential diagnosis from about the cause of death possibility, what could be there from the wound, and according to that we can plan even treatment also. So a good detailed information has been given about the cause of death from injuries and further complication from wounds, which I don't find in most of books of our field. Further, you will find this. Further, you can see this book has got original photographs of cases. Many of his own cases has been given in the detail, their information, original photographs which are giving you live experience of the incidences and ability to practical application. You can apply this book for practical application. As you will go through this book, you will find this book to be having a very recent information. As you can see, this is one of the rare photographs where the shotgun entry wound is there from 3 to 4 meter. Many such extraordinary photographs are there. The description of forensic science laboratory, how the cartridges are examined over there, slides on the burn cases, and as I was telling, the age of the burn has been given in quite detail, how to calculate age in cases of burn. And you will find a whole chapter on the histopathology of burn with findings in cases of burn. What histopathological finding you will actually see. Original photographs has been given. Further, you can see this filigree burn, original photographs of filigree burn, which rarely seen. Further, you can see this video of a water test has been demonstrated, how the base of a skull fracture can be detected just by pouring water in the ear, and without opening the brain we can detect the inside the fracture. So this is one of the nice way of presenting the book. You can see the detail of the commodio cortis, very detailed information. You can see the investigation of automobile accident, the practical application from the scene of crime to the post-mortem examination and further investigation. Also in the mass disaster has been given in similar way. You will find in this way this book is a very updated information of all the possible things about the injuries you can find in one book is this book. And as I told you, in Descent Advances, very updated topics has been covered by him. Further, I was telling you about the common mistakes in some book is a very interesting section. One common mistake that I will point that most of us makes is or books has written is according to the Home Minister circular, if the age of woman dying of dowry rape or of the age of 30 less than 30 year, a panel of 2 doctors will conduct the post-mortem. According to Sir, he has found that there is no such circular. Similarly, I was telling you these pioneers in the injury interpretation section, Camerson, James McCollum, James Francis, their cases, how they investigated the case and how they cracked the case, you will find to be very exciting and very connecting to you practical, and you will find the field to be very exciting. So Modi Jaisang and Goddard, Calvin, Simpson, Keith, their cases, how they cracked those cases, Smith, Sydney, and you will find this section to be very, very interesting. And as I told you, ICD-10 has been given in detail, and the idea of the DM in forensic traumatology. So basically, this is one of the nice book on the section on the topic of injuries, and I will recommend this book to all those who are involved in the injuries interpretation, or either they are working in casualty, or those who are involved in teaching about the injuries, teachers, postgraduate students, to go through this book and at least have one copy of it in their library for reference purpose and for educating children. That's all for the day. Thank you so much for your time and listening to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.